The third major lake-effect snowstorm since November has unleashed heavy snow and fierce winds, wreaking havoc on Great Lakes communities.
A lot of snow up here. We're getting lake effects. We got a bunch of lake effects up here in Erie, Pennsylvania.
Parts of New York are now under a state of emergency as conditions worsen. Governor Kathy Hochul declared emergencies for several counties, including Jefferson and Erie, due to the massive snowfall expected to continue through the week.
Smile, you guys are on camera. That was a joke because you can't smile through your face masks. Nobody can see it.
Hold on.
I see it. Awesome.
Travel restrictions are in place, with tandem and empty tractor trailers banned on the New York State Thruway from Exit 53 to the Pennsylvania state line, as well as other key highways.
Drink cold really quick. That's the way to do it.
This is the view from Erie, Pennsylvania, guys. And I want to say the phone is making this look a little clearer than it really is. This is really some whiteout conditions right now. People are obviously still on the roads, walking in downtown. We are taking a quick lunch break at a bakery that is thankfully open, but whew, cold, windy day, okay? The traffic lights.
Our emergency crews are prepared to respond, urging residents to take precautions. Snowfall has been relentless, with areas like Orchard Park already buried under 19 inches.
In Erie, okay, this comes after over 4.5 feet of snow fell after Thanksgiving for, over the span of maybe a week.
Here's the next storm, forecasting 1 to 2 feet. If you can hear it in the background, the geese aren't even staying at this point. Why do we stay here?
Thing to see here, just another lake effect snowstorm. This happens.
Hamburg and Eden have also surpassed a foot, with more snow on the way. Remarkably, Watertown experienced rare thundersnow early Thursday, a phenomenon involving lightning and thunder during intense snowfall.
It's honestly not that bad, but you still want to be cautious, and you don't want to drive in this stuff if not necessary. So
Local officials have implemented travel bans in towns across western New York, including Brant and Evans, where visibility remains dangerously low. In Erie County, a snowplow slid off the road. Though the driver escaped uninjured, Buffalo's mayor, Byron Brown, announced the closure of City Hall, highlighting the storm's disruptive impact. Pennsylvania is also bracing for trouble. Governor Josh Shapiro confirmed that state agencies, including PennDOT and emergency services, are on the ground in Erie, Videos from the area show heavy snow piling up since Wednesday night. Travel bans and speed restrictions have been enforced on major highways like I-86 and I-90. Forecasters predict multiple feet of snow in areas east of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario through Friday. Cold air from Canada sweeping over the warmer Great Lakes has intensified the snowfall. Winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour are creating near blizzard conditions, with whiteouts and drifting snow making travel perilous. In some regions, including Wyoming, Cattaraugus, and southern Erie counties, totals could reach up to 3 feet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.